Hi, I'm Flora and I'm going to show you how to paint this abstract sunset. Look at it. Look at all that blush and burnt orange and sun-baked terracotta and all that textured gold. When you've finished and you've got your painting up on the wall, you're going to feel like you live in a beach house. This painting was inspired by the sun setting over the cliffs in the Algarve in Portugal. And before we start painting, I want to get you inspired by giving you a little taste of all the beautiful colours of the Algarve coastline. Are you feeling it? Are you inspired? Let's start painting. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the painting, and if you did, please like and subscribe.